Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press the power key button we can launch the camera application, and if you want to switch this option, for example, to launch another app or another option, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to advanced features. Then we should click here to the side key, and now we have selected here quick launch camera. We can select here to open up, and just we can use, for example, the search, or we can open the contacts, Facebook, Google Drive, or just another application, for example the Google and the YouTube Music. For example, let's use the search. Now let's press twice on the power key and we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.